to delete chat on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can delete chat on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a specific chat either from your chat feed or maybe you want to delete a message itself, it's relatively very simple to do so. So let's say that first of all, if I want to delete a chat from my chat feed, I'll just come to my chat page by tapping on the chat icon from the bottom left of the screen. And then once I come to this chat page, long press on a specific chat that you want to remove. So let me just come back and then just long press on that chat name over here. Once I long press on it, here you'll find the option called chat settings. When you go to chat settings, you'll find the option called clear from chat feed, or you can find the option called delete chats. Now this is just a setting. What it does is that you can choose to delete chats after viewing them or after 24 hours after viewing them. So it's either 24 hours or it's either instantly. But to clear them, just tap on the clear option over here. Now if you want to delete a specific chat from within that messages section, so let's say that one of you sent a message to each other and you want to delete that message, long press on that message. Here you'll find the option called delete. Just tap on it and then just choose the option called delete, and then you can just choose the confirmation message that says delete chat. And that's all it takes to delete chats on Snapchat, as I showed you 2 ways on how you can do it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.